Inspired flight brought the If1200 Hexacopter to the Atlanta chapter party of AUVSI during AUVSI XPonential 2021. Marc Stollmeyer and Adam Bilmes showcased the drone in the flight area of the Steady Hand Beer Company. The If1200 Hexacopter was initially built for the Department of Defense and was designed to support heavier lift capabilities, longer flight times, and more rugged operations. It can be configured for any aerial application and integrated with third-party technology to achieve a specific capability. This drone has a flight time of 24 minutes and a maximum payload weight of 19 pounds. The Inspired Flight If1200 Multi-Role Hexacopter Drone UAV price tag is $25,900, and it can still be upgraded.